50 ways to use beets. Beets are one of the most versatile and vibrant vegetables you can incorporate into your meals. Their earthy sweetness and striking color make them a standout ingredient in a variety of dishes, from appetizers to desserts. Whether roasted, pickled, pureed, or raw, beets offer endless possibilities for creativity in the kitchen. Here is a collection of creative ways to use beets, categorized by meal type, to help you make the most out of this versatile vegetable. Appetizers. Beet carpaccio. Thinly slice raw beets and season with olive oil and lemon. Beet bruschetta. Top crostini with roasted beet slices, goat cheese, and dill. Beet tartare. Dice raw beets finely and mix with olive oil, capers, and herbs for a vegan tartare. Beet hummus. Blend roasted beets with chickpeas, tahini, and garlic for a colorful dip. Beet and avocado toast. Top toasted bread with mashed beets and thinly sliced avocado. Salads and sides. Beet salad. Toss roasted beets with goat cheese, arugula, and walnuts for a vibrant salad. Beet and quinoa salad. Combine roasted beets with quinoa, feta, and fresh herbs for a filling salad. Sautéed beets and carrots. Sauté diced beets and carrots in olive oil until tender. Beet and citrus salad. Toss beets with citrus segments and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing combination. Beet gratin. Layer thinly sliced beets with cream and cheese for a hearty casserole. Roasted beets. Roast whole beets with olive oil, salt, and pepper for a simple side dish. Beet stir-fry. Add thinly sliced beets to a vegetable stir-fry for a splash of color. Main dishes. Beet soup. Make borscht, a traditional beet soup, served hot or cold with sour cream. Beet risotto. Stir pureed beets into risotto for a stunningly red, earthy dish. Beet gnocchi. Add pureed beets to potato gnocchi dough for a vibrant twist on the Italian classic. Beet ravioli. Stuff homemade ravioli with a mixture of pureed beets and ricotta. Beet burger. Use grated beets in a veggie burger patty for a colorful alternative to meat. Beet curry. Cook diced beets with coconut milk, curry spices, chickpeas, and vegetables for a beet curry. Beet tamales. Add pureed beets to masa dough for bright pink tamales. Beet lattes. Grate beets and potatoes together to make colorful potato pancakes. Beet hash. Dice beets and potatoes, then fry them together for a colorful breakfast hash. Beet pizza. Use sliced roasted beets as a pizza topping along with goat cheese and mushrooms. Beet falafel. Add grated beets to falafel mix for a colorful, veggie-packed twist on the classic. Beet stuffed bell peppers. Fill bell peppers with a mixture of quinoa, beets, and feta for a nutrient-rich dish. Beet and feta wrap. Use beets as a filling in a wrap with veggies and feta. Sauces and condiments. Beet salsa. Mix diced raw beets with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime for a fresh salsa. Beet tzatziki. Combine grated beets with Greek yogurt, garlic, and lemon for a twist on tzatziki sauce. Beet raita. Mix grated beets with yogurt, cumin, and cilantro for an Indian-inspired condiment. Beet vinaigrette. Puree roasted beets with vinegar and oil to create a vibrant salad dressing. Beet relish. Make a sweet and tangy relish with grated beets, onions, and vinegar. Beet pasta sauce. Puree roasted beets with cream and garlic to create a unique pasta sauce. Beet sauerkraut. Ferment grated beets with cabbage for a tangy, probiotic-rich sauerkraut. Beet pickle relish. Add minced beets into a relish with cucumbers, onions, and vinegar for a topping on salads or sandwiches. Desserts and sweets. Beet brownies. Puree cooked beets and add them to brownie batter for extra moisture and a hint of sweetness. Beet muffins. Add grated raw beets to muffin batter for a moist and vibrant baked good. Beet pancakes. Add pureed beets to pancake batter for a naturally pink breakfast. Beet ice cream. Use roasted beets to create a unique earthy ice cream flavor. Beet sorbet. Puree beets with lemon and sugar for a refreshing sorbet. Beet macarons. Use beet powder to flavor and color macaron shells for a naturally vibrant treat. Snacks. Beet chips. Thinly slice beets and bake until crispy for a healthy snack. Beet crackers. Add beet powder to homemade cracker dough for a colorful, nutritious snack. Beet juice. Juice fresh beets with apples, carrots, and ginger for a refreshing drink. Beet smoothie. Add cooked beets to smoothies for a nutrient-packed, colorful drink. Beet yogurt bowl. Blend beets with fruits and yogurt, then top with granola and more fruit for a yogurt smoothie bowl. From appetizers to desserts, beets bring their unique flavor, color, and nutrition to every meal. Whether you prefer them roasted, raw, pickled, or blended into a drink, these ideas will help you explore the endless culinary possibilities that beets have to offer. Enjoy experimenting with these recipes and discovering new favorites. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment below.